Welcome back to FI Europe 2024 here in Frankfurt, where I'm joined by Christian, who is General Manager of CSM Ingredients Group. Christian, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us a bit about what it is that you're showcasing to visitors here to Frankfurt this year.
You see, one of the key points we are driving is GI reduced products, what drives a lot of beautiful benefits out of it, and it's a big trend ongoing. The second part, when you look at CSM Ingredients, as we have different companies coming together, we are combining the craftsmanship out of the bakery and pastry industry and combining it with technologies to make the product taste better. And that's also the heritage of our company, because key drivers is craftsmanship, and we see that the industry get inspiration from that. And combining it with the right technology is going to make it also a better product behind it. And that's something what you can experience across the stand, from fruits to bakery to pastry products, to make it taste, but also healthy.
In terms of the trends that you're plugging into right now in the industry, what are those? How are you responding to those?
The beauty being together in the ingredients business, we know that the trends are quite consistent across areas, but something what we consider getting even more traction is the Better For You platform. Everything what gives you a product, what enhances your well-being, but also for your gut feeling, from a fiber perspective, protein perspective. So everything what's linked to Better For You is clearly a platform what drives a lot. The other part, what we observe as well, is the raw material market gets quite crazy. And commodities like on chocolate, on egg, what are also linked to sustainability and performance. And one of the key activities what we observe as well as egg replacement. Driving the same texture and taste, but not using egg. Technology is needed, but it impacts also sustainably the market, and it gives also a safe products for us. So that's activities what we are doing a lot in this area. And the other trend what we see is also backward integration on raw materials. Because being in the bakery space, raw materials are used. How we can reuse it again is also something what we are doing a lot.
A lot of space there for innovation, like you say. Just taking a step back and looking at the broader picture here, where do you see this part of the industry adapting, evolving in the next, let's say, 2 to 3, 4 years?
Personally, I'm a big believer. The industry loves to develop by themselves, and everyone says, I find the best ingredients to find a solution. That's a little bit the pattern what we see in the ingredients industry. But what I see, it's changing a lot, and that's also in our DNA, because we drive open collaboration. So we're connecting ourselves with startups, helping them to see how the solution works in the end product. We are connecting with our peers to understand on how we could fast-track activities. So something what I'm observing, that the industry is getting more and more open to collaborate. Everyone speaks about open innovation, but I believe it's about open collaboration, because the challenges in the food industry and in the ingredient space are the same. And very often you're occupied who is doing something differently. But the question is, if we combine it, how could we do it better together? And that's something what I'm observing, and a big believer as well, was also reflecting our company's journey, because it used to be 3 different companies. And what I observed, putting them together, the magic happens on the bench, because people have the different expertise. Combining it, it drives a different benefit. Doing it with a broader level, going to impact the food industry massively.
Collaboration is key to innovation. Who knew?
Yeah.
Christian, thank you very much indeed for joining us here in Frankfurt this year.
Thank you.